I'm finally doing a Frozen makeup look. I feel like everyone does a Frozen makeup look, but I love Anna so much, so I'm super excited to bring her look to life for you. Hey you guys, it's Jazzu from naturallycolorfulbabe.com. Welcome back, fam, and if you are new, hello, how are you? I hope your day is going wonderful. Happy Motivation Monday. Before we get started, you guys know the drill. I'd like you to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video if you care. We are on the road to 1K. Yeah. Follow me on any of my socials. TikTok, you might have seen some Anna TikToks like these. And if you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen some Anna posts. And you also would have seen that Anna costume that I got for $30. That is right, it was about 30 bucks, and I will have it linked down in the description for you to go check out for yourself. It fit like a glove. I believe I got the extra large. So let's get right into it. For Anna, I'm just going to use my regular Pretty Fresh Colorpop foundation. Okay, now that that's done, we're going to do the concealer. So Anna has a little cartoon nose, and for cartoon noses, I kind of like to make them look rounded so that when I put the blush on, it's just on the little round ball part. So what we're gonna do with the concealer is we're gonna go down our nose, and then we're gonna stop before we get to this part, and then we're just gonna put a little out there and a little right there. And then you take your bronzer. So then we're gonna do our nose a little bit smaller because Anna doesn't have as big of a nose as I do. And then what you're gonna do is make like a crescent shape on top of where that on your bridge, right above where that little like point in your nose is. Alright, so I don't know if you can see, but now my nose looks a little different. It is the focal point of my face now. I love Anna's little cute button nose. Kind of looks trollish, but it's okay. It's okay. We will fix it in post. So for the eyes, we're going to be using the Anna palette from Colourpop. That's right. How are we going to do Anna without Anna's actual colors? This palette is one of my favorites. As you can see, I've used it a lot. I think we're going to do sort of a purplish gold smoky eye. I'm going to take this light brown called Wind, and I'm going to put it just below my brow bone. I'm gonna take the color Freckles and go right underneath where we put that first color. Next, we're gonna go on this dark purple Autumn Breeze, which I'm obsessed with. We're gonna put that right where our fake crease is going to be. Yes, we're using a fake crease again. I have tiny eyes. Get used to it. Make sure you blend in between, y'all. Don't forget to blend, or else you're gonna look crazy. Now we're gonna take the color Adventure, which is also a purple color, but it's kind of shimmery, and we're gonna take it and dip it into a little bit of, what is this? Warm Hugs. We're gonna dip it into Warm Hugs and mix it, and then put it in our outer corner. So we're gonna go in with an eyeshadow brush, and we're gonna grab this really pretty gold color. What's it called? It's called Earth. We're gonna grab the color Earth. It's so pretty. So now there's pressed gold. I love Colourpop's pressed colors. I don't know if you can see that pressed gold, but it is freaking gorgeous. There will be fallout because it's a glitter, but honestly, if you tap your brush before you put it on your eye, just like any other shadow, there's a lot less fallout that way. Right, so then there's this color called Scoochin', and it's white, and we're gonna put that in the inner corners of our eye. We're also gonna go underneath our eye with Warm Hugs because it's a warmer purple, so it's not gonna make us look like we have black eye. But for the bottom, it's going to be white because I'm what? A cartoon character! Cartoon characters use white. Put it on our cheeks because Anna has really rosy cheeks. Her cheeks are super rosy. So we're going to put it on our cheeks. Making sure the bulk of the product is right there on our cheek and then swiping the rest backward. Grab your favorite highlighter. You guys know I love me some Opera. I'm going to be using highlighter Soho. It's got this orangey feel to it. Smile, brush it on your cheek. Smile, brush it on your cheek. And then pick some there and just pat on your nose right there. Just pat. And then swipe up the rest on your bridge. And don't forget above your eyebrow and your cupid's bow. For the lips, I cannot for the life of me find my Anna lipstick. Don't know where it is. I found the Elsa lipstick though. So we're going to use a similar brown color, Mrs. Norris from the Sophia collection. It's similar, it's not the same richness, but I only just need it to give my lips a little bit of color. So I'm just gonna put it right on the inside, and then I'm taking the Anna lip gloss from, it's called Free Spirit from the Anna collection with Colorpop. I'm going to put that all over my lips. You know, I stand Colorpop so much. They be problematic sometimes, and you know what? We hold them accountable for that, but I love Colorpop. After that is done, it is time for freckles. Now, Anna does come with body glitter, which, yes, we're going to use it. But before we do that, I want to put the freckles on because trying to put the freckles on top of glitter, let's just say we learn from experience, is not a good idea. So, as usual, we go on with the light one. If you're a lot lighter than me, you don't have to do the second step. But you don't have to go in with the dark one on top of it. But I have to because this one kind of shows up, but it doesn't show up dark enough. So I do this one first, and then grab your Anna glitter. It's this really, really, really pretty gold glitter, and I love it. I love it, love it, love it. But as you can see, we're just gonna tap our finger in there and just lightly grab some. Not a lot, guys. Just tap your finger. Tap, 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 tap. And just kind of tap your finger lightly on your face. Otherwise, you're gonna look crazy because you're gonna have a shit ton of glitter on your face. Which Frozen did you guys like better? I liked Frozen 2 more, but I love Frozen 1. I do. I'm not saying Frozen 1 was trash. It was really good. But I loved Frozen 2. I saw it in theaters like 3 times. Like, I loved Frozen 2. It was fantastic. Alright, time for the wig and the costume. BRB! And there you have it! Anna! I'm so extra. Don't forget to check out naturallycolorfulbabe.com or naturallycolorfulbabe on Instagram to keep up to date with all my fun cosplays. You can also check us out on TikTok. And have you checked out the Your Nerdy Girlfriend podcast yet? It just launched last Thursday. It's really great. It's a podcast where we just nerd out and talk about living our best nerdy lives. And that's all types of nerds. Book nerds, anime nerds, comic book nerds, music nerds, theater nerds. We're all nerds. I'm a dude. She's a dude. We're all dudes. Hey, sorry, 90s kid moment. I definitely check it out if you have time. It's super fun. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share if you care. Don't forget to comment what your favorite Frozen movie was. Was it Frozen 1 or Frozen 2? And you're not done yet. Check out everything over there. I've got such great stuff. Such great stuff. Go check it out. I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.